Do you have a Mercedes Actros and need a suitable solution for mounting your CB antenna? An improvised mount can be unstable and affect the correct positioning of the antenna. That's where the PNI SPA42 Plus comes in, a dedicated mount for installing a CB antenna on the sun visor. It is specifically designed for Mercedes Actros MP4 and MP5, providing a stable mount on the driver's side. It is made of stainless steel, a durable material designed for long-term use. The mount supports antennas with either threaded or butterfly fittings and has a 16 mm mounting diameter. It mounts on the driver's side sun visor without structural modifications to the truck. This keeps the antenna securely mounted and properly positioned for use. PNI SPA42 Plus. A dedicated CB antenna mount designed for Mercedes Actros MP4 and MP5. You can find the link in the comments.